frozen turkey. I'm only unthawing this little package here because if I start unthawing, if I do the whole turkey, the stuffing is, you can see it there in the sink. Yeah, you definitely don't want to cook it with the plastic bag on it. I'm going to add 3 cups of water. 3 hours, the frozen Butterball turkey's been in the oven at 325. I'll position the camera a little bit here. There, that's what it looks like. This is at 6 hours and 10 minutes roughly. There's the turkey, and it's definitely not ready yet. But it's getting there. Also, we took off the cover about a half an hour ago. 190. 190? I'm at the turkey calculator, and we got the frozen pre-stuffed. Okay, I'm going to go to about 6.3 kilograms here. Just sliding this over. 6.4 is close. Cooking time is 6 hours and 20 minutes at 325 degrees. In the instructions they're telling you to go by this time, but they don't allow that you put, I put 3 cups of water in and I put a lid on it, so at the 6 hour mark what I did was I uncovered the lid and I turned up the stove to about 350 degrees for the next half an hour so the turkey would brown. And I'll leave the link for this calculator in the description. This part's optional. I got some sage, and I'm just going to sprinkle it on the top a little bit. And that's a Butterball stuffed turkey with the dressing already in place. Any more it'll be like Christmas Vacation. There's even stuffing in the neck too. See it here? So it goes all the way through. I wonder if I should take all of it out and then cut it.